Imagine waking up in the morning, you brush your teeth, get dressed, drive to work or campus, and then enjoy a cup of coffee. Have you ever stopped to think that almost all of these things come from industrial processes? Behind the conveniences we enjoy every day, industry plays a huge role in improving the quality of human life. However, on the other hand, industrial activities are also one of the large contributors to energy consumption, carbon emissions, and waste that impact the environment. This raises an important question. Is it possible for industry to continue to grow and generate profit while still preserving that environment? The answer is green manufacturing. Hello everyone, my name is Aska Hamambayhaki, student ID 29027300464 from Industrial Engineering Program. Today, I will be discussing green manufacturing and industrial study aimed at achieving environmentally friendly and sustainability production processes. Before we go any further, let's first understand the learning objective of this material. In this video, we will learn several important things. First, we will understand the concept of the environment in an industrial context. Second, we will understand the definition of green manufacturing and its scope. Third, we will learn about principle of green manufacturing. Fourth, we will analyze its benefits, challenges, and implementation in the industrial world. Hopefully, after watching this video, we will not only be familiar with the concept of green manufacturing, but also understand why this concept has become a necessity for modern industry. Well, before we can understand the concept of green manufacturing, we first need to know why this concept is so important. Over the past few decades, the industrial sector has grown at a rapid pace. As more factories are built, the demand for energy, raw materials, and natural resources continues to rise. On the other hand, these activities generate carbon emissions, solid waste, liquid waste, and air pollution. These conditions have led to the emergence of various global issues such as climate change and global warming. As a result, industry is no longer expected merely to produce high-quality products, but must also be environmentally responsible. This is why green manufacturing is becoming an increasingly relevant solution. However, before discussing that solution, we first need to understand what is meant by environment in the industrial world. When they hear the word environment, most people immediately picture trees, river, or forest. But in the industrial world, the environment has a much broader scope. The environment encompasses air, water, soil, energy, raw material, waste, and emissions, all of which interact within a single system. Every production activity affects these components. This means that if one component is disrupted, the other will also be affected. So, how do all these components relate to industrial activities? Let's take a look at the following illustration. A production process always begins with the use of raw materials and energy. These materials are then processed using machinery to create product ready for public use. However, behind this product lie waste, carbon emissions, and significant use of natural resources. If all these impacts are not properly managed, they will cause environmental pollution and accelerate climate change. Therefore, a new approach is needed that can be balance production needs with environmental sustainability. This approach is known as green manufacturing. Green manufacturing is a production concept that integrates economic, environmental, and social aspects into every manufacturing process. This means that companies do not only focus on generating profit, but also strive to reduce their negative impact on the environment. This is achieved through energy efficiency, optimal use of raw materials, waste reduction, the use of the renewable energy, and the implementation of the reduce, reuse, and recycle principles. Thus, green manufacturing does not mean reducing production, but rather improving the quality of the production process. So, what exactly is the main goal of implementing green manufacturing? In general, there are six main objectives of green manufacturing. These range from reducing pollution, conserving energy, minimizing carbon emissions, improving production efficiency, producing more environmentally friendly products to support sustainable development. All of these objectives are interrelated and support the long-term sustainability of the industry. To achieve this goal, there are several basic principles that every industry must follow. Green manufacturing is based on 7 key principles, including 1. Energy efficiency. Optimizing energy used during the production process to reduce electricity and fuel consumption without compromising productivity. This principle aims to lower operating costs while reducing greenhouse gas emission. Second, material efficiency. Using raw material effectively to minimize waste and production byproduct. Material efficiency helps reduce production costs while conserving natural resources. 3. Waste reduction. Reduction the amount of waste generated from the very beginning of the production process through process improvement, material reuse, and better waste management. 4. Renewable energy. Using renewable energy resources to reduce dependence on fossil fuels and lower carbon emissions. 5. Green supply chains. Integrating sustainability principles throughout the entire supply chain, from supplier selection, production process, and distribution to the management of product after use. 6. 3R. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. It's been effort to minimize environmental impact by reducing resource use and waste from the outset. Reusing material or products that are still usable or reused, and recycling waste into new useful material or product. 7. Eco-design. Designing products to be more environmentally friendly throughout their life cycle, from the section of raw materials through the production process and use to the recycling or disposal stage. These 7 principles actually share the same goal to get a more efficient, cleaner, and sustainable production process. However, green manufacturing is not just about the environment. This concept also focuses on striking a balance between corporate profit and the well-being of the community. This concept is known as the triple bottom line. It consists of the 3 main pillars: profit, people, and planet. Profit ensures the company continues to make a profit. People ensure that all activities benefit employees and the community. Meanwhile, planet ensure that the environment is preserved. These 3 aspects must be in balance so that the company can grow sustainably. So, can this concept really be put into practice? The answer is yes. One example is Toyota Motor Manufacturing Indonesia. Toyota has implemented various green manufacturing programs, ranging from energy efficiency and reduced water consumption to waste management and carbon emission reduction. The result not only benefit the environment but also improve the company's operational efficiency. This proves that green manufacturing is not merely a theoretical concept but a business strategy capable of delivering tangible benefits. From this case study, we can see the various benefits gained through the implementation of the green manufacturing. For companies, green manufacturing can improve cost efficiency, strengthen the competitiveness, and build a better corporate image. For the environment, this concept helps reduce pollution, conserve natural resources, and lower carbon emissions. Meanwhile, for society, green manufacturing contributes to creating a healthier environment and support sustainable development. Now that we understand the concept, principle, implementation, and benefit, it's time to draw conclusion from our discussion. Green manufacturing is not merely an effort to reduce environmental pollution. More than that, green manufacturing is an industrial strategy that integrates operational efficiency, technological innovation, and environmental responsibility. Although its implementation faces various challenges, such as high initial investment, human resource readiness, and technological requirement, all of these challenges can be overcome through management commitment, continuous innovation, and a culture continuous improvement. Thus, green manufacturing serves as a vital foundation for the industry of the future, one that is not only productive and competitive but also environmentally responsible. In closing, I like to invite all of us to reflect once more on the question I posed at the beginning. Is it possible for industry to continue growing without damaging the environment? Now that we study green manufacturing, the answer is certainly yes. As long as industry can strike a balance between economic gains, social well-being, and environmental sustainability, sustainable development can truly be achieved. Let's start this change by changing the way we think, learn, and innovate. Because the future of industry is determined not only by how much we produce, but also by how responsibly we care for the earth. My name is Askar Hamamayaki. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.